Good evening viewers, welcome to Power Sector News. Today's headlines: Power market opening for electricity derivatives, Tamil Nadu planning to bid ADU for aging coal plants, US based Triton to set up EV manufacturing unit in Telangana. Coming to the details. Power sector has been waiting for a big reforms in the power market for the last more than 10 years, which was held up due to the jurisdiction issues between SEBI and CERC. A committee under Ministry of Power resolved the jurisdictional issue between SEBI and CERC regarding introduction of contracts for efficient regulation of electricity derivatives with certain recommendation. Based on the recommendation, CERC will regulate all the physical delivery based forward contracts, whereas the financial derivatives will be regulated by SEBI. This has opened the gate for introduction of long duration delivery based contracts in the power exchange, which has been currently restricted to only 11 days due to the pendency of the case. The commodity exchanges, MCX, etc. can now introduce financial products, Visa, electricity futures, etc., which will enable the DISCOMs and other large consumers to effectively hedge their risks of power procurement. This will enable the DISCOMs and other large consumers to plan their short-term power procurement more efficiently. This will bring new products in power commodity exchanges and attract increased participation from GENCOs, DISCOMs, large consumers, etc., which will eventually deepen the power market. This is significant development and has the potential to change the landscape of power market in the country. This will further deepen the power market from the present level of approximately 5.5% of the volume to the targeted volume of 25% by 2024-25. Tamil Nadu contributes 16% to India's total installed grid capacity connected to renewables. Overall, the state has 42% renewable energy installed capacity of its total energy mix. While coal remains the primary source of energy with 53% of total generation for Tamil Nadu, it also has 15 gigawatt of installed renewable energy. Tamil Nadu has to move towards a green energy transition by retiring old thermal power plants and re-looking at the energy mix and by generating and absorbing more renewable energy. Tamil Nadu government is planning to retire 4.2 gigawatt of coal capacity, which is now older than 25 years. The state-run distribution utility TANGEDCO, which has been running financial losses due to the increased cost of power purchase, can save up to 35,000 crore rupees by retiring 3.1 gigawatt of old coal power plants, freezing expenditure on 3.5 gigawatt of coal plants at the early stages of construction, and availing cheaper power to meet future demand. A conservative estimate of 32 gigawatt of renewable energy capacity could be added, and it could absorb the entire incremental demand in the coming decade. On working out the net zero emissions strategy between the states, Tamil Nadu with huge renewable potential, the excess power can be supplied to states like Chhattisgarh and Jharkhand, which are nearer to coal resources, and tie up with them to export the energy to meet their daytime demand through our renewable sources. This can be adopted at pan-India level within states and can lead to states working towards their net zero carbon emission strategy. Triton Electric Vehicle Private Limited, a subsidiary of Triton Solar, entered into an MOU with Telangana government for setting up a manufacturing unit for electric vehicles at Zairabad, Telangana, with an investment of 2,100 crore rupees. The project will produce 50,000 vehicles over the first 5 years, including semi-trucks, sedans, luxury SUVs and rickshaws, and provide employment for 25,000 persons. Price discovery at Power Exchange. National Load Dispatch Center has scheduled to 54.45 million units of power for tomorrow cleared through Indian Energy Exchange. Coming to the price discovery details, price discovered during night 14 rupees 1 paisa per unit, price discovered during day 13 rupees 68 paisa per unit, price discovered during evening 17 rupees 75 paisa per unit, price discovered round the clock 14 rupees 78 paisa per unit, weighted average price is 14 rupees 89 paisa per unit. There is no congestion for power transfer in the network and the prices are uniform in all the regions. Thank you and good day.